I'll do something ridiculous in that car. He was driving under the influence.
No.
Why this car? This is what you call a total loss.
My timing is perfect.
You're just coming over here to like watch me cry or what?
That is absolutely correct.
It's just like, this is the video I don't want to make. You know when those fucking rental cars get crashed and transporters crash them and everything? I literally don't care. I was a little pissed off about the SVJ that one time, but this is like on another level, man. This is like someone shot my dog. I haven't even seen the car yet. Tony just told me about it. I'm gonna take all of these juices before I do that because I need to be in the right frame of mind to even deal with this type of solution.
It's gonna be hard to process this one, huh?
Oh my god. Fuck. What the Why this car? Literally, why? Of all the cars, fuck up every car I have. Just this is the only one you want to fuck up? Holy shit. Got to be kidding me. Albert, is the key inside of it?
I have no idea.
Because they said they couldn't find the key. I had hope that this was going to be fixable. I really did.
Oh, you're totaled.
I really did. Oh my god, man. This car is irreplaceable. I spent like $150,000 modifying this car. It's literally irreplaceable. Awesome. Awesome build. It's my favorite one. This is a menacing S-Class. It was on its way back from Eurocharged. It did not come from this trailer. I think it was also a gooseneck trailer. And the guy, he drove through intersection and he flipped the truck. The trailer flipped over and this car came in and just obviously got all damaged right there, and the whole side of the car, it came out. The freaking worst thing about this is that the car behind it, which was a $20,000 Chevy HHR, is basically undamaged, which I don't understand how that happened. And my car looked like it went through a tornado. Fuck, man.
Today, our sponsor for the video is Valencia Theater Seating. Now, we want to give a huge shout out to them because they provide not only extremely well-crafted chairs, but their customer service is literally unmatched. Everybody over at the Valencia Theater Seating team has been absolutely amazing to us, and we're over here with these new beautiful chairs. Now, these chairs are covered in 100% super supple Napa leather. These beautiful chairs do come with a power lumbar, headrest, and recline. They are also equipped with LED lights that you are able to change. Now throughout here, the LED lights will light up in your color of choice. Now these chairs are also equipped with perforated French diamond stitching, as well as charging ports for A and C USB chargers. Now Valencia Theater Seating is the absolute premier place that you're going to want to go if you're looking for some comfy theater seating, or what you can go ahead and do is you get yourself a nice comfy chair for game day. What we're going to have you guys do now is go to valenciatheaterseating.com. You're going to get a beautiful deal on these chairs.
Oh, they put all of my, wonderful, they put all the broken parts in the back seat. You'd think that they would maybe just put those in a plastic bag or just throw them on the fucking street, you know? Because why make my interior worse?
Who are you gonna punch? Damage control.
Honestly, the transport driver is kind of lucky because he's not here, but he's okay. I'm a little toss-up about that, because I heard that he was driving under the influence. So I don't know what's true, what's not true, but if he was driving under the influence, I'm gonna punch him after he gets out of the hospital.
Jail.
Right to jail.
The undercarriage is a lot worse than I thought.
Yes.
I didn't think that, I mean, I heard the story, but I didn't know how bad the undercarriage would be. But it's pretty messed up. I'd like to see pictures of the accident. I know somebody has them. That would be ideal.
Well, we just know that that's what caused the damage on my car right there.
So it's an
It sucks
pitch.
because, like if you look at this again, look at the rear of the trailer. Basically, just my car just came forward, which is really crazy because he must have not strapped my car down really well.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no. Come on. No, stop. Houston, stop.
This is why I don't have animals anymore. I used to have 2 cats, but then they died, and then I was sad. So this is why I never get attached to cars, because then they get crushed. So it's true pain. It's true pain. It just caught the
Yeah, a little bit more.
stuff right there. Yeah. Oh, sick. Beautiful.
Yes.
Underneath, I don't expect it looks the same. We're gonna go remove my S-Class off of the tow truck. So this was a yesterday thing. My prized possession was destroyed in an accident that was not caused by myself. It was caused by a transport driver. The car was still actually in the tow truck or in the transport when it had an accident. So I saw the pictures of what my car did to the bed of the other guy's truck because it came through the trailer. I could only imagine what it looks like underneath. And Andy sent me a picture this morning of oil all over the floor. Oh, I love this new door. I love this new door. We got this new door so we can do this. Just pull this all the way in because this tow truck could have never been parked inside here. It couldn't make that turn. Well, Andy was a pretty good driver. He probably could have made the turn, but it would have taken a long time. But now, tow truck's ready to roll. It just goes straight out. Oil, oil, oil. I just want to get it up in the air and see what's underneath it so that I can end this video, start crying, and then call the insurance company and figure out what I'm going to do. Because look, this is definitely not fixable. It's total beyond. Let me show you what my car did to the other truck. That's what my car did to his truck in the bed. So all of that underneath my car. So there's parts of my car in his truck still. And the front of my car landed on his back window. That's the only damage to the trailer where my car escaped.
So just launched right onto the back of the truck, huh?
Yeah, like launched straight out the back of the truck. So clearly he didn't strap it down good enough, or his straps broke, or whatever the F. We know it's trashed. It's just like, how trashed is it? Is the engine bad? This is, at this point, a $70,000, $80,000 engine build. So like, I'm trying to make sure that like, maybe I can salvage that. I know I could salvage my interior if I bought this car back. The labor to take every piece out and put it in another car would be whatever. The speakers in the trunk are a little damaged, you know, but they're obviously salvageable. Like the enclosure is damaged, right? But we just put meth on this car. We just did all this crazy stuff for $20,000+, and I just kind of, I'm so curious to know if the engine is still good.
The engine's probably good. The only way you're going to really damage that is if you physically broke the block.
That's what I was saying. I just wanted to see if there's a puncture from his bed. Well, there's quite a bit of just shit and dirt and oil everywhere. I mean, the gearbox is blown because you can see there's a huge hole in the gearbox. The engine may or may not be bad. It's probably bad because this oil cooler, right? all of this right here is all oil. So the engine will have to be completely taken apart and cleaned to get all of this dirt and shit out of there, because all of this is open wounds essentially. We have massive exhaust damage here. This one's broken. You can see that even the heat shielding is broken there. And did you see the exhaust back here?
Not
It's just a small exhaust leak. Come on this side. Come on this side.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. I would assume that all the shocks are blown because the car's sitting really weird, and this one looks a little bent. This wheel specifically looked a little off for me. We could have compression where the mounting towers are, to where it cracks up like that. We've got the rear transmission brace here is broken. I mean, the rear diff mount, Jesus Christ. Why am I'm like no caffeine for 1 week now, so I don't know what I'm talking about. This panel is probably gonna reveal more damage in this area right here. We've got some damage here to the actual body of the car. Something went through this area. What a waste, man. I spent so much time and effort on this beautiful car and it's just destroyed. Yeah, dude. This is what you call a total loss. So, yay! Okay, we know it's gone. I have woken up this morning accepting the fact that this car is no longer. I already plan to build the G-Wagon, the 4x4. We're gonna do a cool, I'm not gonna change the interior color, we're just gonna add more red to it, but starlight and everything, and the sound system. But now I've got to figure out, that car is a good daily, the G63, but it's a little high, and I just had stomach surgery, so like I kind of don't really fit really good in and out of it. I was really looking forward to driving this car again. I need to buy another car today that I can drive on a daily basis. I know you guys say that I have a lot of cars, but I don't drive the rental cars. Those are not mine, those are tools for the business. They're unloading a 918 outside. It's not mine, but I might as well just start driving that one instead. So if you guys think I should start daily driving Steve's 918 while he's on vacation in Hawaii, you let me know, and if this video gets like 10,000 likes, I'll do something ridiculous in that car that I shouldn't be. Like maybe just the world's first straight pipe donuts in a 918.
Ooh la la. What do you think?
Love it. I
Seen
like
one
that.
of these in person before?
I have. I like the plate though. 918.
That's a good looking car. This is Steve Hamilton's, and he's letting us use it for a couple videos / story here. Houston's got some exciting stuff that's going to happen with this.